Welcome everyone. This is your host Ali Rathor from TechRath. In today's Mac tutorial, we'll be teaching you how to add different languages to your Mac operating system. For your keyboard, you can add more than English or your native language. In our case, we'll be testing it out with Urdu, Arabic, and Hindi. So stay tuned. Welcome back everyone. This is your host Ali Rathor from TechRath. Now we're going to add different languages in our Mac operating system where we'll be able to type in different languages. For example, we'll be adding Arabic, Urdu, and Hindi in it. Urdu would be my native language. To start off with, what you need to do is press Command and Space to open Spotlight Search, and then just type in keyboard and press Enter. Once you've pressed Enter, you'll have the keyboard option. In this one, you need to go to Input Source. Once clicked, you can see I've got a US English language here by default. Now I'm going to add Urdu, that's my native language. So press plus at the bottom. You can have a quick search and type in Urdu. You can see Urdu here, and then click Add. You'll see you'll have this language here, that's Urdu, and it's got its default keyboard here as well. Another thing you might have noticed at the top right, that you can see now a US icon here. On clicking it, you can actually see the Urdu language coming up here. Now while we're at it, we're going to add another language, that is Arabic, and it's got different sections of it, Malay and Uzbek, but I'm going to go for a basic Arabic. Now they've got different portions of it, how you can actually add different languages. Now this QWERTY is my favorite one because I'm not an Arabic speaking. So what I can do is I can actually type in English and it will convert and translate it into Arabic and write it in the Arabic language, this one. So you can see the sounds it make, like this is the sounding of la and fa for my Arabic speaking friends. So I'm just going to add this one. Going again, going to add in Hindi. Now we're going to do the same thing here because I can't write and read Hindi. So we're going to do this one. People can actually tell what they think we will be doing. So QWRETY, we're going to do this one in Hindi actually, and that's it. And we're going to close it up, and you can see all the languages being added at the top right corner. Now we're going to go to Pages just to type it in and see how it looks. We're going to open a blank file. Now to start off with, we've got US here language, English. I'm just going to increase the font size so you guys can see better. So I'm going to write down welcome to TechRath TV. Please enjoy the tutorial. That looks fine. Now I'm going to go and select Urdu. It goes on the right. Now for those of you who do not know how the keys are mapped on the keyboard, you just need to go on the top right corner and click Show Keyboard Viewer. So it'll open up this keyboard which has the Urdu alphabets in it. So I can type in very easily. It's like, for those of you who say up, go, it's like share. Um, I'm just trying to write it down. So this is कहते. I haven't typed Urdu for a long time in computer. So this is because I can speak Urdu, that's why I've written it in Urdu. Now, in case I can't speak or understand anything, I'm just going to go to Arabic, and here I'll see, for example, if I type in Ali, just give me a second. I think QWT. I'm just going to go back to my keyboard. Oops. Alright, I'm going back to my keyboard and input sources. I'm going to remove this QWRT and add Arabic as a TPC, North Africa piece, QWRT. Let's see, what does this do? I'm going to add another one. So this is Arabic EZRT. So I'm going to write down Arabic. Now let's see if it adds anything. Nope. I'm not an Arabic speaking. Here are the keys, so you can do different settings with it. You can type in this sentence that I've written. So I think what do you write in Arabic? Like I think la means no. No. Right? And that would be my name. La Ali. No Ali. So I'll write Ali. La. Ali, don't. Row. I think row in our language Urdu is cry. I'm just going to go to Hindi now. So Hindi script, it automatically takes you to the left hand side, and like for example, I'll write welcome to TechRat TV, welcome to TechRat TV. See, I'm writing English, but it's translating in Hindi, but our Hindi speaking viewers can actually tell me if that's right. So I'm just going to copy this one, and we're going to open Google Chrome just to check if this is correct. So I'm going to do Hindi to, I need to change it back to English. So I'm going to do Hindi to English, and I'm going to type in what have I written in Hindi. Welcome to Tech. It's close enough. It's close enough. So if I write welcome to TechRat TV. So it's written here. So that's about it. This is our tutorial. This is how you can actually change different languages. In it, add emoji and add your own language. For me, I'm just gonna keep Urdu because that's the one I normally use. So to remove it back again, you go to input sources. I'm just going to remove Arabic and Hindi, so I'm just going to keep on Urdu, and that's about it. So for those of you who are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and do visit our blog. And if you have any questions or suggestions, do leave your comment at the bottom, and we'll see what we'll bring in the next tutorial. We'll be coming up with Mac series. We have different playlists in our YouTube channel as well. If you want to look at any tutorial that you would like us to do, please leave a comment and suggestion, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm your host Ali Rator from TechRat. See you next time. Bye.